Do it yourself sugar wax at home for beginners. This is everything, you guys. As you can see, I used a sugar wax from the beginning of the video. So before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe here to my channel and then click that bell notification so you'll never miss out on videos like this. This is the recipe that I found that works best for me. I have tried quite a few of them and had quite a few disasters myself trying to make my own sugar wax at home. Okay, I was a true beginner, but after you fail a couple of times, you kind of get it. So I'm adding all of the contents to this saucepan on medium heat. Keep note, medium heat is very important because things can go from 0 to 100 and not the good 100 very quick. In this case, I am making a firm paste, but understand, if you go any higher than the temperatures listed on this screen, it will literally go from like a kind of like a concentrate syrup to like a hard rock, like almost like an Epsom salt kind of texture. So it is very, very important that you pay attention. If you cannot get to the store to get a thermometer because you're staying at home, you can get a bowl of cold water. Ice cold would be pretty good, and just take a small amount of your paste and put it in that water, and if it turns into a firm ball, you are done. Okay, but it is very, very important that you're paying attention to the temperature. So now we're pretty much done, and I am letting it cool, and as I'm letting it cool, I'm going ahead and taking a little bit of paper towel with some castor oil on it and rubbing it around just to keep everything from sticking so I can use all of this stuff. Okay, keep note, this actually tastes pretty good because it's nothing but water, lemon juice, and sugar. So I ended up doubling the recipe, kind of tripling the recipe, because I'm doing a full body wax. Even in this video, you'll only get my legs and my toes, but I'm doing full body. So if you want to see full body, make sure you leave me some comments below and let me know. But now I'm getting this shirt ready because I'm just using this shirt, and sit back and relax. Leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think.
Little.